In this video, I will show you how to redeem code in Overwatch 2. So to get started, go ahead and open Battle.net on your browser, and then in here, go ahead and sign in into your account. So make sure that you sign in into the account that you have connected to your Overwatch game. So you need to sign into your account before you go ahead and redeem a code on Battle.net. You can go ahead and log in using your email or phone, or you can go ahead and sign up for an account on Battle.net using your preferred social media account. And then after you link your account to Battle.net, you can go ahead and log in to your account. And since I have clicked on that redeem a code button on the Battle.net homepage, I'll get redirected in here. So in here, you just need to enter the code into this area that you want to redeem to your Overwatch account. And after that, you need to go ahead and click on that redeem code button, and that would be credited immediately into your Overwatch account. And that's basically how you can redeem code in Overwatch 2.